right here, all it is your legs cross. So this is my right, my left. You're gonna grab your left toe. You can do your right to go opposite. And basically you're just pulling your legs back. And it's gonna make it like that diamond shape, all right? So it's like a foot grab diamond. And you're gonna hold yourself. You're gonna use your opposite hand, which is like my right hand. And you're gonna actually counterbalance with this because you don't have your feet to help you counterbalance. All your weight's gonna be centered in one. You're gonna need something, and it's gonna be this hand right here, right? It's gonna save you. All right, a really good physical and mental exercise is gonna help you. You can even use the wall if you feel like you're gonna fall back. It's doing a headstand and basically crossing your feet. My left, my right, cross it over like this. Take my left hand, and I'm gonna grab my left toe and pull it back just like that. That's gonna be that right there. For this move, remember, whatever ankle or foot that you grab, you're gonna turn with your hips and your shoulders the same way whatever you grab. So if I grab my left toe and I'm going to my left, I'm gonna hold and I'm gonna turn to my left slightly to keep myself balanced and centered. Now I'm gonna use my right hand too, which is my opposite hand, to help counterbalance me because you're gonna need that. All your weight is gonna be centered in the middle. You can wobble and fall. This hand's gonna help save you to keep you up and down, right? So here we go. We're gonna do 3 taps, just like this. Here we go, let's do this. Go down, go 1, 2, 3, all right? Relax, grab that toe, pull it back, just like that. And you got it.